Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, thanks for being part of my video. Today we are going to see day 28 score booster topics questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. First we are going to see simplifications. First question. In this question, first we need to know the 19 table. 19 three times will be 57, 19 two times will be 38 and 5 43, 437. This is why I requested everyone to by heart 20 into 20 tables. Okay, we got this one plus 16 4 times will be 64. So 512 divided by 4. 4 1 times will be 4. 1 means 2 times and 8 times. So this value will be 128 plus we have 45. 60% of 2 1 means percentage and double zeros will be cancelled. 6 one time will be 6, 6 two times will be 12. So 45 into 126. Here it is 5, so we take 2 from here and left with 263 times. 2 into 45 will be 90 and this is 63. 9 3 times will be 27, 9 6 times will be 54 and 2 56, and we left with 0 5670. So whole equals to x into 5. So totally we have 437 128 plus 5670 whole equals to x into 5. We have 8 plus 7 15, 10 12, 10 12, 6 double 2 5. Here it is 6235. Okay, whole equals to x into 5. So 5 1 times, 2 times, 4 times and 7 times. So x value will be 1247. Option A is our answer. Now in this question we must know here the fraction value of this one. I don't know exact fraction value, but I can say this as 50% and 14.28% of 686. 50% means half of 686, which will be 343, plus 14.28% is nothing but 1 by 7 into 686. 7 1 times 7, sorry 7 9 times 63, we left with 56. 7 8 times, so 343 plus 98 minus 12.5% is nothing but 1 by 8 into 480. 8 60 times plus 19 1 times will be 19, 19 2 times will be 38 and 39, 399 whole equals to x. So what we have is 343 plus 98 plus 399 minus 60. So minus 60 means we left with 38 here. Now we need to find the sum of all these. 17 plus 3 20, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 6 18, 6 plus 1 7, 780. 780 is our answer, option D. Next question. Here it is 62.5%, which is nothing but 3 by 5 by 8. Fraction of 5 by 8 into 240. 8 30 times 5 3 times will be 15 and 0 150. So the value of this one will be 150. 17 into 23. 17 3 times will be 51. 17 2 times will be 34 and 39, 391 minus 75% is nothing but 3/4 of 120. We got minus 90, and this is plus 391 plus 150. whole equals to x. Subtracting 90 from this one, we get a 301 and a 150. 154. 451 is our answer, option C. Next, fourth question. In this question, to find the solutions, we must know the squares. 2401 is nothing but 49 square minus 1369 is nothing but 37 square plus 961 is 31 square and 361 is 19 square, whole equals to x. Here the value will be 12 plus 31 plus 19. 12, 6, 62 is our answer, option D. Next, fifth question. 5.88%, which is nothing but 1 by 17. We must remember the fraction of this one. 5.88% fraction value will be 1 by 17 into 680. So 17 4 times will be 68. So it will be 40. 17 3 times will be 51. 17 2 times 34 and 39. Plus here 21 and 91. Unit digits are 1. So we'll do 9 2 times will be 18. Sum of 2 and 9 will be 11. So 1 and 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. So we get 1911. 25% of 120, which is nothing but 1/4 of 120 for 30 times. So what we get is 40 plus 391 plus 1911 plus 30. So totally we have 2, 17, 13, 2372. Answer will be option B. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Here 5 into 24 will be 120. 120 means we need to get 26. 26 times will be 120 and the roots are in the positive. Here 4 into 42. Let's divide this as 21 into 2 times. 4 into 2 will be 8. 21. We get 29 and the roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 4 and this with 5. We get 6 4 times 24. 4 20 times will be 80. Here 5 8 times 40 and 5 1 is 5, 5 2 times 105. So by comparing these two numbers, here this 80 comes in between these two numbers. It means x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation established in between these two equations. Next question. Here 30, we need to get 13. 15 2 times and minus we get 13. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Here 42 7 6 times is 42. No, but we need to get the 17. And 14 3 times is 42 and we got 17 and the roots are in positive. Here by comparing these two, it is clear that x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation established between in these two equations. Next question. Here x square minus 36x plus 155 equals 0. Minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. Here plus and plus means the roots will be in negative. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Let's see question number 4. Here the roots will be in negative and in this case the roots will be in positive. Now by comparing these two, it will be clear that x will be lesser than y. Let's see fifth question. In these two equations, the last sign will be negative. Means here the roots are in positive and negative. Here also the roots are in positive and negative. we get x greater than y and x lesser than y by comparing these two equations. So there will be no relation can be established in between these two equations. Now we are going to see wrong number series questions. First, uh, these numbers are increasing, decreasing, increasing and decreasing. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 62. Here the difference is 124. Here the difference is 7, 4 and 1, 147. Here the difference is 5, 9 and 4. Here 64 becomes 128. 128 2 times will be 248. 248 2 times will be 496. Let's see, 903 plus 248 will be 1511. Wait a second. This is not 147, it is 247. So if we have 248, we get 1151, and if we add 496 to this one, we get, sorry, it is plus minus plus and this is minus. If we subtract 496 from this one, we get 655. So our wrong number will be 1150. Next, second question. 5 becomes 15 and 21 becomes 140. It is nearly 7 times. It is into 3 times. Here we add, let's add 5. We get 20 instead of 21. 27 times will be 140 and we are adding 11. These are prime numbers and one time into and one time plus. Next, third question. Here this number becomes half, nearly half. Nearly half means, so it will be into 0.5 times. Here it becomes into 1.5 times. 96 plus 48, 14, 144. So it is into 1.5 times. Let's see this 0.5 times and 1.5 times. So let's take this as 2.5 times. 144 2 times 288 and 0.5 times means 72. It will be 0, 1, 8, 8, 16, 360. So it must be 360. 360 3.5 times. 363 times will be 0, 8, 1080 and half means 180. So we get 1260. So wrong number will be 361. Next, fourth question. Here 9 becomes 28 and gradually increasing. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference is 58. Here the difference is 94. Here the difference is 133. Here the difference is 171. These are 19 multiples. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. 19 one time, 19 6 times, wait, 7 times, 19 9 times. So it must be 3 times and 5 times, which are the wrong. So our wrong number will be 86. Next question. Here we got 0.5 here at the end, and the numbers are slightly varying. So we'll go with the differences here. Here the difference is minus 72. Here the difference is plus 38. Here the difference is minus 20. Here the difference is plus 9. Here the difference is minus 4.5. 4.5 double times will be 9. 9 double times will be 18. 18 double times will be 36. 36 double time will be 72. So these two numbers are wrong. So wrong number is this one. Now we are going to see missing number series. First question. These numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 24. Here the difference is 48. 16, 24, 48. These are 18 table. 24, 32 and 40. 272 plus 32 will be 304. So answer will be 304. Option B. Second question. It is multiplication into 4 times. 4 times is 24. 19 4 times will be 76 and 278. So into 4 times will be 784 plus 4, and 64 becomes 196, means 64 3 times will be 2 and 192, and we need to get this 196 means plus 4. So into 3 plus 4, this is into 4 plus 4, means it must be into 2 plus 4. This is into 1 plus 4. 26 1 times will be 26 plus 4, which will be 30. 30 2 times will be 60 and 4 64. So answer will be 30. Option A. Third question. Here the difference between these two is 0, and here the difference between these two is 48. 48 seems like 7 square minus 1, so it must be 1 square minus 1. So here two possibilities, means we'll take odd numbers 3 and 5 and 7. 3 square minus 1, 5 square minus 1, which will be 8 and 24. 36 plus 8 will be 44. 44 plus 24 will be 68. So our answer will be 44. Option C. Next, fourth question. Here the numbers are the varying. Let's check. This becomes nearly 3 times 159. 159 plus 5. Here 24 2 times will be 48 plus 5. So this is into 1 plus 5. So it must be into 4 plus 5. For 4 times is 6. 6 plus 5 will be 1. So the next one must be into 5 plus 5. 5 6 times 5 1 times is 5. 5 6 times 30. 5 6 times 30 and 33. 3305 plus 5. 3310 is our answer. Option C. Next, fifth question. Here the numbers are slightly varying, so we will go with differences. Here the difference is 121. Here the difference is 100. Here the difference is 81. 11 square, 10 square, 9 square, 8 square, 64, 7 square, 49. So 310 plus 64 will be 374. Option D is our answer. 374 plus 49 will be 423. So answer will be 374. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, the flow from T to O. From T there is flow to O, but everywhere there is no equal to here. So there is flow from T to O. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from D to A with everywhere equal to also. From D we can reach up to O but not to A. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see second question. The flow from P to Q with everywhere equal to also. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. So here the flow from P to Q with everywhere equal to also. If we see P, from P we can reach to C but none of the other, or else we can reach to L but none of the others. So we cannot able to reach to P. So first conclusion will be false. Let's see second conclusion. The flow from J to Q. From J there is flow to Q. Yes, it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Let's see third question. The flow from A to K. From A we can reach to S. From S we can reach to K. But there is equal to also here. But there is no equal to in our second conclusion. So second conclusion will be false. And A equals to K. This is also fails. But combining these two, we have a flow from A to K with a equal to also. and we got the same in our basic question also. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. So let's see question number 4. The flow from A to B. From A we can reach to Y or E. From E we can reach to W. From W we can reach to B. So first conclusion will be true. Let's see second conclusion. The flow from D to L. From D we can reach to E. From E we can reach to W. From W we can reach to L. So second conclusion will be also true. Okay. Let's see fifth question. The flow from V to A. Here from V there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from F to Q with everywhere equal to also. From F we can reach to A, only A. So we cannot able to reach to Q. So second conclusion will be false. So answer will be here is neither one nor two. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Only a few, wait a second. First question, only D is E. So E is inside D and doesn't share with anything except D. Few F is G. No, D is G. Few F is G means some F is G. So this is the Venn diagram for our statements. Let's see conclusions. Few D is F is a possibility. Some D is F. Is it possible? Yes, first conclusion will be possible. Let's see second conclusion. Some E can never. We see never means we check all E can be G. All E can be placed inside G. No, it is not possible because E doesn't share with anything except D. So all case fails means some not, some never case will be true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Let's see second question. Few Patna or Lucknow means some Patna or Lucknow. No, Jaipur is Nagpur. Every Jaipur is Lucknow. Every Jaipur is Lucknow. So Jaipur is inside Lucknow. No, Jaipur is Nagpur. Let's see conclusions. Few Lucknow is not. Not means we check all Lucknow can be Nagpur. All Lucknow can be placed inside Nagpur. No, it is not possible because of this one. So all case fails means few not means some not case will be true. Let's see second conclusion. Every Jaipur can be Patna. Nothing but all Jaipur can be Patna. All Jaipur can be placed inside Patna can be possibility. So we can place J inside P. It is possible. So it is true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Let's see third one. Only a few G3 is G4. Only a few G6 or G5. Few G4 or G6. Few means some. Only a few 6 or 5. Let's see conclusions. Some 3 or 6. This is 3 and this is 6. It is direct conclusion and there is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. Some 5 or 4. 5 here and 4 here. And it is direct conclusion. There is no direct relation between these two in our basic Venn diagram. So this is false. Let's see question number 4. Only a few ring is chain. Few pendant are bangles. Few ring is necklace. Few ring or necklace means some ring or necklace. No ring is bangle. Wait a second. This is necklace. No ring is bangle. Few pendants are bangles, means some pendants are bangles. Let's see conclusions. All pendant or ring is not a possibility. We check all pendants can be rings. All pendants can be placed inside the ring. It is not possible because of this part. So all case fails. So all pendant can be ring is not possible. Is true. First conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. Some chain can be pendant. This is chain and this is pendant. We can share some part possible, as second one is also true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Let's see fifth one. Only a few gold is silver. Only a few diamond or copper, few iron or gold. Means some iron or gold. No silver is diamond. No silver is diamond. Only a few diamond or copper. Let's see conclusions. Few gold can be diamond, means some gold can be diamond. This is gold and this is diamond. Can means possible diagram. We can share some part with S and D and G. So first conclusion will be true. Let's see second conclusion. Some iron or copper is a possibility. Here iron and here it is copper. We can share some part possibility, means so we can draw a possible diagram between I and C, some sharing. So it is true. By this we have completed score booster topics. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Linear sitting arrangement reasoning puzzle. Let's see. 8 people are sitting in a linear row facing north. Only one person sits between Manoj and Sankalp. Let's note the rough statements. Manoj and Sankalp. Only one person sits between them. S and M. Okay. Rohit sits third to the left of Sankalp. 1, 2. This is Rohit's place. 1, 2. Rohit. Next one. Only 3 people sit between Yash and Vinod. 1, 2, 3. Vinod. Yash and Vinod. 3 people sitting between them. Jitu sits to the right of Ashok. Jitu sits to the right of Ashok. Ashok, who is not an immediate neighbor of Vinod. So, A and V does not be immediate persons. Next one. Here, Manoj sits third from the right hand. So, total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Manoj sits third from the right hand. So, this is place for Manoj. Okay. We are taking two possibilities, one from the top and one from the bottom. Next. As many people sit to the right of Rohit. Right of Rohit is same as to the left of Amit. Left of Amit. Okay. S is not an immediate neighbor of Amit. Y and Amit. S and Amit does not sit immediate. Okay. Let's start our reasoning puzzle. Here we have M. M immediate person is R. Either this one or M dash S double dash R. So we take these two possibilities. Okay, we have completed this part. Next, right side of R same as left of Amit. We have right 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is Amit's place. Here at the end, so this is Amit's place. Next, wait a second. The last statement is S is an immediate neighbor of Amit. So Y and Amit are immediate neighbors. So this is S. This is placed for S. If we got S, then we can place Vinod. 1, 2, 3, Vinod. 1, 2, 3. This is Vinod's place. Okay, Vinod place. If we got Vinod place, which is A, which is not Ashok, which is Ashok, A. Ashok and Vinod does not be immediate persons. So this is not place for Ashok. This is not place for Ashok means this is a place for Ashok. We can place Ashok in these two places. A right side will be J, which is nothing but G2. If we place A here, there is no place for G2 in the right side. So we take A Ashok here and G2's place is here. Then only we get our solution. So left with Amit, Vinod, Yash, Rohit, Ashok, Manoj, Jitu and Vinod. Here we left Sankalp. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Ashok, Jitu, Yash, Amit, Rohit, Manoj, Vinod, Sankalp. So let's see our questions. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of Manoj? Second to the left of Manoj is Amit. But the options B, C, B, D, E are not Amit. So we check A and C. The one who sits immediate left of Jitu, no. So our answer will be option C. First one answer is option C. Second question. In which of the following statement the third person sits between the second and the first person? Wait a second. Third person. This one sits between these two. Let's check. Yes, sits between Jitu and Amit. Yes, first one is true. Second one, Rohit sits between Amit and Manoj. Rohit sits between Amit and Manoj. It is also true. Third one, Vinod sits between Rohit and Sankalp. Vinod sits between Manoj and Sankalp, not Rohit and Sankalp. So 1 and 2 are our answers. Both 1 and 2 is our answer. Let's see third question. Which of the following statement is false with respect to Yash? This is yes. Yes sits third to the left of Manoj. 1, 2, third. First one is true. Only four people sit between Yash and Sankalp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is also true. Yes is an immediate neighbor of Jitu. It is also true. As many people sit to the left of Yash, 2, right of Vinod. Only 1. So answer is D. D is our answer. Let's see fourth question. How many people live between Yash and Sankalp? This is Yash and this is Sankalp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people live between them. Answer will be option E. Fifth question. 4 of the 5 are alike. So we need to find the odd one out. Jitu and Rohit. Jitu here, 1, 2, Rohit. Vinod and Amit. This is Vinod and this is Amit. Between 2 people. Manoj and Yash. This is Manoj and this is Yash. There is 2 people between them. Amit and Jitu. This is Amit and this is Jitu. There is only one person. So our wrong one will be option D. Amit and Jitu.